Want to know how to explore or scroll through posts in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. So once you have opened it up, here you should be provided with this interface right here. So in order to scroll through your post, on the bottom left side you should be seeing this friends icon or the icon of two people right here. So you can just simply select it to scroll through your post. Now there is more that you can do. That is just simply head into a source for discovering or just simply seeing reels by seeing this reels icon right here. And you can just simply scroll and see different posts accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.